In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share report and dashboard folders with users in Salesforce. Sharing these resources effectively ensures that your team has the right level of access to critical data and can collaborate more efficiently. So let's delve into the simple steps to get this done. First things first, navigate to the Dashboards tab at the top corner of your Salesforce interface. It's easily accessible and acts as your gateway to managing your folders effectively. Once you identify and select the appropriate tab, it will bring you to a section where all your folders are organized, providing a comprehensive view of everything you have going on. Next, you'll want to have a clear view of all your folders. To do this, head over to the left sidebar and click on All Folders. This crucial step allows you to see every folder that you have access to, making it much easier to locate the one you wish to share. It's practical, especially if you're managing multiple folders or working with a large team. When you find the folder you want to share, let's say the Sales Reports folder, hover over its name. You'll notice a drop-down arrow appearing on the right-hand side of the folder name, a handy feature that brings additional functionality to your fingertips. Clicking this drop-down arrow reveals several options related to the folder, with one of the most important being the Share option. Now, from the drop-down menu, select the option to share. This is your pathway to configuring who gets access to the folder and what level of access they should have. Once you've clicked on Share, a dialog box will appear on your screen. Here you can start typing the name of the user, role, or public group you want to share the folder with. Salesforce enhances this experience by providing suggestions, which saves you time and ensures you're selecting the correct entity. At this juncture, it's crucial to choose the right access level for your sharers. There are three main access levels you can assign. The first is Viewer, which allows the recipient to view the reports or dashboards within that folder. The second, Editor, grants permissions to modify the content of reports or dashboards. Lastly, there is the Manager access level, which gives the user full control, enabling them to edit, move, delete, and even adjust sharing settings for the folder. Once you've determined the desired access levels for each entity you've added, it's time to finalize your changes. Click on the Share button to save these settings. Your folder is now successfully shared with the designated users or groups. To wrap up the process, simply click Done on the Share Folder dialog. This confirms that your sharing configuration is complete and closes the dialog box. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your Salesforce report or dashboard folder efficiently and securely. By following these steps, you ensure that your team has access to the necessary resources while maintaining control over who can change or modify these reports and dashboards. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you have any questions or require further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy sharing.